simple cuisine. Thank you for joining me today. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make pizza. This recipe is very simple. I always make it the way that I will be making it today. It's my own recipe, and of course everybody has their own style of making pizza, but this is very easy and simple to follow. Of course, I have a video on how to make pizza already, but this one is a little bit different. I hope you enjoy it. I'll be making a cheese pizza, and I'll be making a veggie pizza. So both of these pizzas are delicious and simple to make. I hope you join me. I'll be back in a minute to show you how to make these two delicious pizzas from start to finish. Thank you for joining me today. back. Here's our 2 delicious pizzas. I'm looking forward to tasting one of these pizzas. I think I'll have a piece of veggie because that is my favorite. So, and I love to have crushed pepper. Look at this pizza. This looks really good, well cooked, very soft, looks awesome. The crust is very golden brown on the bottom, and that's how I like my pizza. So let me try and I'll let you know. It's a little hot, but absolutely delicious. I love the crust. I love the vegetables. You can customize this. You can put your toppings. Those are the toppings that my family and I like. And the dough was very simple to make, as you saw. Let me know if you have any comments, questions, or suggestions in the comment section down below. If you're new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you all. Goodbye.